My Rebbe used to say, sometimes you're in yeshiva, but you look at the other world, they have all these malls and all these vacations they go to and the movie theaters. He says, imagine I take you to my house and I'll show you a very, very nice medicine cabinet. It's all nice, it has diamonds all around it, and then I open it up and I show you, Yaakov, look how many medicines I have. I have hydrochloroquine, I have Corona this, I have Tylenol, I have Advil, I have this. And I'm like, wow, Rebbe, you're so lucky. Look at this beautiful diamond medicine box, and you have so much medicine. You're so lucky. That one, and the green one, and the red one, and this cherry flavor, grape flavor, and a mint flavor. So many different. You're so lucky, Rebbe. He says, yes, thank you. I'm so lucky. I have so much medicine. Is that a foolish thing to do? Yes. You're not jealous of somebody who has medicine. Said Achonim Rabotai, he said my Rebbe like this. He says, when you look at the other world, it looks like it's big, but it's really nothing there. When you see they have movie theaters and they have all these sports that they're into and all the fashion that they're into, don't look at them and chas v'shalom be jealous, like, wow, they have so much in that culture. Wow, look, they have something called a basketball, a baseball, a football. They have something called a movie theater, and they can do this and then no. It's all to keep the goyim busy. It's all to keep the culture busy. They need it. It's like medicine to them. What else should they live for? They need it. They need to keep on going. But us Yehudim, us Jews, who has time for these things? Yibano Shalalam, you're able to learn Torah, you're able to do mitzvot, you're able to daven to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, you're able to write Sfarim, you're able to spread Torah. Why in the world would you even look at the other culture and say, oh wow, what are you talking about? It's all medicine. Who needs it in the first place? You're much bigger and better than that. You're capable of a lot more. Learning Torah and doing mitzvot.